Surrounded by turquoise waters and facing the island of Corfu and the beaches of Ksamil, Villa A is located at the top of the northern peninsula of Kep Merli in Albania. The design of the house aims to incorporate the rocky formations and sea views. The house is planned as a series of cubes facing different directions, framing the views and following the rugged terrain. The cubes projecting over stone walls create balconies in the outdoor living area. The outdoor space becomes an extension of the indoor space, defined by lines following the building's walls. These lines define the flooring and the shape of the pool. All daytime areas are situated on the ground floor, comprising an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area that seamlessly flows onto the outdoor terrace and pool area. The interior of the house is designed with a neutral color palette, creating a serene and soothing atmosphere. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, adds warmth and texture to the space. A 6-meter-high glass facade frames the sea views. The living space has a unique configuration, defined by vertical stone walls that articulate the fluid space on the ground floor. The use of large windows and sliding glass doors allows natural light to flood the interiors and provides uninterrupted views of the sea and the surrounding landscape. Each cube on the upper floor houses a bedroom, opening up to the horizon through its own balcony. The pool area, derived by following the lines of the building, is a highlight of the residence, designed to provide an ideal place for relaxation and enjoyment of the outdoor surroundings.